When boiling eggs, never place them directly in water. Hi everyone! Today, I'll show you how to boil eggs like a 5-star restaurant. With this method, the eggs will turn out soft, easy to peel, and the shells practically fall off on their own. The yolks will be perfectly cooked, not dry, and most importantly, the eggs will taste amazing. Let's watch together. First, wash the eggs thoroughly. Sometimes eggs may have traces of chicken droppings, feathers, or dirt. Cleaning them ensures hygiene and prevents dirtying the pot. Don't skip this step. E. coli bacteria can enter the body through the digestive system and cause illness. Place the eggs in a clean bowl. Add a little baking soda and salt, then pour in enough water to cover the eggs. Where are you watching from? Leave a comment. It's wonderful how we can connect across the world. Stir well to dissolve the baking soda and salt, then soak the eggs for about 5 minutes. After soaking, wipe the eggs clean with a kitchen towel. When a hen lays an egg, it passes through the cloaca, which is also used for excretion. That's why eggshells are often contaminated with droppings, feathers, and harmful microorganisms like E. coli and Salmonella. Salt and baking soda help clean the eggs effectively. Baking soda loosens dirt, while salt acts as a disinfectant. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit that button. I really appreciate your support. This cleaning method also removes any unpleasant smell from the eggs, making them taste better. If your eggs are refrigerated, soak them in clean water for 10 minutes before boiling. A sudden change in temperature may cause the eggs to crack or the shells to stick. Boiling straight from the fridge increases the chance of cracking and the whites sticking to the shell. Soaking helps both with cleaning and easier peeling. Next, rinse the eggs with clean water. Eggs are highly nutritious, rich in vitamins, minerals, protein, and choline. Everyone can eat eggs, from young children to the elderly. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. After washing, the eggs look shiny, clean, and safe to use. Pour 1 liter of water into a pot, add a bit of salt, and stir to dissolve. Salt increases the boiling point, allowing the eggs to cook more evenly. Place a steaming rack over the pot and put the eggs on it. Boiling directly in water often leads to cracked eggs and spilled whites. What a waste. Some eggs are also hard to peel, which ruins their appearance. To fix that, place a small plate in the middle of the steamer. Add a little vinegar and salt to the bowl and stir to dissolve. The vinegar and salt help loosen the eggshells, making peeling easier. Eggshells are made of calcium carbonate, which reacts with the acetic acid in vinegar to soften the shell. Just a gentle tap, and the shell peels right off. Vinegar and salt also make the eggs softer and tastier. While steaming, salt improves heat transfer and enhances flavor. A small amount of salt also replenishes electrolytes, good for your health. Turn the heat to high until the water boils. The steam will gently and evenly heat the eggs. No need to worry about hot or cold water. Steam cooks the eggs perfectly. And you don't need to measure the water level. So convenient. Unlike traditional boiling, this method avoids bumping and cracking during boiling. Once the water boils, reduce to medium heat and steam for 12 minutes. For soft-boiled eggs, steam for 6 minutes. For fully cooked eggs, steam for 11 to 12 minutes. Overcooking will dry the eggs, make them hard to digest, and dull their flavor. 11 to 12 minutes is the ideal time. When time's up, open the lid. The eggs smell great and aren't fishy, but if you peel them immediately, they'll be too hot and hard to handle. So prepare a bowl of cold water to cool them down. Cold water helps the eggs cool quickly and makes peeling easier. The egg whites contract when cold, allowing the shell to come off cleanly. Soak until the eggs are completely cool. If you skip this step, the whites may stick to the shell, leading to waste. Steamed eggs stay intact, no cracks or breakage. Now, let's peel one. Tap it gently with the back of a knife to crack it, then peel along the crack. You'll see how easily the shell comes off, no sticking at all. The whites are smooth, tender, and slightly springy. A quick note: don't drink tea right after eating eggs. The proteins in eggs can react with tannic acid in tea, making digestion harder. Also, avoid combining eggs with soy. This can interfere with nutrient absorption. Cut the egg in half. The yolk is evenly cooked and beautifully golden. Whether it's breakfast or a snack, boiled eggs always offer a gentle and pleasant flavor. A breakfast with eggs is both quick and nutritious. Give this method a try. You won't be disappointed. Do you know of any better egg boiling tricks? If you have tips to share, don't hesitate to comment below. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to support my channel. Goodbye, and see you in the next video.